Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to be going over our integration with Akzo Nobel Mixit Cloud and how you can bring your live pour from scale into the Eagle MMS invoice. Now, if in the event you're a new Eagle MMS customer, there is a chance we may not have retrieved your Mixit ID yet. If that is the case, when you go to click the button, you'll receive this message. Every week we message Akzo Nobel IT to receive your Mixit ID so we can establish the connection. If this takes longer than 2 to 3 weeks, shoot us an email. But if you're a new customer, be aware that this functionality may not be activated yet. Now, when your integration link has been activated, you're going to go to your materials calculator. I'm going to select one of my repair orders. This is one that I've already written. If I render the invoice here, you'll see it has my estimate volumes based on my calculator selections. And if I want to import from scale, I'm just going to go back to the calculator, hit import from Akzo Nobel Mixit Cloud. And because this is a cloud-based connection, it'll just pull the live pour over the internet. Now, the only caveat is that the repair order has to match in Eagle MMS and in Mixit Cloud. It has to be the same repair order number. But you can see here I have my estimate volumes versus my live pour. I'm going to select import. And now if I re-render, it'll give me an updated invoice with my live pour, subcomponents, and subvolumes exactly the way my technician mixed them on scale. So, yeah, there you go.